Making the leap from being an employee to becoming an entrepreneur is one of the most exciting and challenging journeys you can take. For many, it's a path to financial freedom, but it requires more than just a good idea. It demands hard work, discipline, and a shift in mindset. Today, I'm going to talk about the steps you can take to move from being an employee to an entrepreneur and how that journey can lead to true financial freedom. The first step is developing the right mindset. As an employee, your focus is often on a steady paycheck, doing your job well, and following instructions. As an entrepreneur, the mindset shifts dramatically. You must take on the role of a leader, a decision maker, and a risk taker. Entrepreneurship requires you to think about long-term goals, solve problems, and be accountable for your success. This mindset shift is one of the most significant challenges when transitioning from employee to entrepreneur. The second step is building financial discipline. When you're an employee, your income is typically stable, and you don't have to worry about paying for things like overhead costs or managing cash flow. But as an entrepreneur, you need to understand your finances deeply. You must manage your expenses, track profits, and budget for both the present and the future. In the early stages, you might have to sacrifice your comfort for a while, whether it's taking a pay cut, working from home, or limiting your spending. It's essential to have strong financial discipline to keep the business afloat, especially in the early years. Starting small is the third step. Many people think they need a massive investment to become an entrepreneur, but the truth is that small steps can lead to big results. You don't need to quit your job right away or take on a massive loan. Instead, start building your business on the side. Start by testing your ideas in the market. Whether it's freelancing, launching an online store, or offering consulting services, there are plenty of low-cost ways to get started. Starting small gives you the chance to learn, test your products or services, and minimize your risk. Another critical step in the transition is developing multiple income streams. Financial freedom isn't about relying on just one income source. As an employee, your paycheck is usually your only source of income. But as an entrepreneur, you need to create a diverse set of income streams. This could be through offering various products or services, investing in real estate, or starting other side ventures. By diversifying your income, you reduce the risk of financial instability and build long-term wealth. The next step is networking and building relationships. One of the most important things you can do as an entrepreneur is surround yourself with people who can support your journey. This includes mentors, other business owners, and industry experts. Networking allows you to learn from others, collaborate on projects, and gain valuable insights into what works and what doesn't. The people you surround yourself with can either elevate you or hold you back, so choose wisely. Learning how to market yourself and your business is another essential step. Whether you're offering a service or a product, you have to be able to reach potential customers. In today's world, digital marketing plays a huge role, but traditional networking, word of mouth, and referrals can be equally important. You need to create a strong brand, establish an online presence, and learn how to communicate your value to the right audience. Marketing is about connecting with people and offering solutions to their problems, which will drive sales and help you scale. As you continue to grow your business, you also need to develop systems and processes. This is where the magic happens. When you're first starting out, everything may feel chaotic, and you're doing everything yourself. But as your business grows, you need to establish systems, whether that's through software, hiring employees, or outsourcing certain tasks. Building efficient processes not only helps you manage your business better, but it also frees up time for you to focus on growth, innovation, and more strategic decisions. One of the most critical steps to financial freedom is scaling your business. Once you've tested your idea and built systems, you need to think about scaling. Scaling means expanding your business, increasing your revenue, and reaching new markets without a linear increase in your workload. This might involve automating processes, expanding your team, or investing in marketing. Scaling is what allows you to transition from being an entrepreneur who's working in their business to a business owner who's working on their business. Finally, maintaining a growth mindset is crucial for long-term success. The road to financial freedom isn't a straight line. You'll face challenges, setbacks, and failures along the way. But it's important to stay resilient, keep learning, and adapt to changing circumstances. Embrace failure as part of the journey and use it as an opportunity to grow. The most successful entrepreneurs are those who are constantly evolving and improving. In conclusion, transitioning from an employee to an entrepreneur is a journey that takes time, effort, and a lot of persistence. But it's also a journey that can lead to true financial freedom. By developing the right mindset, building financial discipline,